In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a playlist on YouTube in 2020. There are two ways you can do this really. The first way is easy to add your own videos, and the second way makes it easy to add other people's videos, and I'll show you both of them inside this video. So the first way to do it is to be logged into YouTube, to click on your icon, and to go to your YouTube studio. And then once you're in your YouTube studio, you can then go to videos, and this method is to add your own videos to a playlist. And say for example I wanted to add all of my Spotify videos, I could just type in here Spotify and click show all, and obviously I'd have all of my Spotify videos. I can then click on all of them here by clicking select all. We can click add to playlist, and here we can go and create a new playlist. So I'm going to create new playlist here. I'm going to call it Spotify, and then I'm going to click create, and we've now got Spotify videos all in a playlist. Now the second way you can make a playlist is by going to the playlists tab here, also on the dashboard, and then you can click on new playlist, give it a title, and you can make it public or private. I'm going to make it private and click test, and then click create. Here you're going to be taken to your playlist. You can then click on this button here and click add videos, and it's going to then bring up a box where you can search YouTube for videos. You can enter in a YouTube URL of any videos, or you can just choose your YouTube videos.